Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. It's the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Here's a smoothie that feels like dessert but feels like a meal: the vanilla sweet potato shake. At around 480 calories, it's rich, filling, and packed with fiber. Start with half a cup of cooked and chilled sweet potato, naturally sweet and nutrient dense. Add half a frozen banana for creaminess. Next, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for that muscle-loving boost. Pour in half a cup of oat milk to keep it velvety smooth. Now, spice it up with a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that dessert-style flavor. Blend until thick and creamy, then top with a sprinkle of cinnamon if you'd like. The result is sweet, cozy shake that tastes like pie in a glass. Indulgent, satisfying, and fiber-rich. This is comfort food you can sip on. Bye!
I got you. Yes.